Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope so you all are in good health. From unit number 9, acids and bases, we are going to start our lecture number 2. So our today's topic is indicators and strength of acids. Acids that are present in our daily food are basically weak acids. On the other hand, the acids that are used in the laboratory, for example sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, they are basically strong acids. So the strength of the acid can be measured by a scale known as pH scale. Another thing that measures the strength of acid is the presence of hydrogen ions, that is H positive ions. If the number of hydrogen ions are more, then it means acid is stronger. On the other hand, if the number of hydrogen ions are less, then our acid is a weak acid. So the relationship between pH scale and the acid strength is like that. If the pH number is higher, it means the acid is more weaker, and if the pH number is less, then the acid is a strong acid. Our next heading is pH scale. pH scale basically is a measurement of how acidic or alkaline a solution is. A substance is a neutral, it means it has pH 7, and the most common example of a neutral substance is water. On the other hand, if the pH value is higher than 7, अगर pH स्केल की वैल्यू 7 से हाई होगी तो वो सोल्यूशन अल्कली कहलाएगा. Most common example of alkalis are soap solutions. And if a solution has pH value 14, it means that solution or liquid is very strong alkali. While the pH value less than 7, for example from 7 to 1, the liquid or our chemical is stronger acid. Our next topic is dilute versus concentrated acid. Dilute means patla and concentrated means gada. So, if we mix a large quantity of water in small amount of acid, then the acid is called dilute. On the other hand, if we mix small quantity of water in large amount of acid, then our acid will be concentrated. अगर हम पानी की मिकदार ज़्यादा लें और एसिड की मिकदार कम लें तो वो एसिड डाइल्यूट कहलाएगा, और पानी की मिकदार कम लें और एसिड की मिकदार ज़्यादा लें तो वो एसिड कंसनट्रेटेड एसिड कहलाएगा. कंसनट्रेटेड गाढ़े एसिड ज़्यादा करोसिव होते हैं, यानी कि वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होते हैं और वो चीज़ों को गला देते हैं. Our next topic from page number 112 is strong versus weak acid. As I have already told you, the strength of the acid can also be measured by the presence of hydrogen ions. So if the concentration of hydrogen ion is higher, then our acid is a strong acid. For example, we can say that the sulfuric acid is a strong acid, but it is also possible to have a dilute solution of any strong acid. For example, dilute nitric acid is a strong acid because it has pH value of 2, but it is not very concentrated. Next topic from page number 112 is indicators. Indicators means इशारे. इंडिकेटर्स वो डाई केमिकल्स होते हैं जो हमें बताएंगे कि हमारा सोल्यूशन बेसिक है या एसिडिक है. सो whenever the indicators are added to the substance, they immediately changes the color and it tells us whether the substance is acidic or basic. The most common example of the indicator is a litmus paper. Litmus is basically a dye of purple or blue color which is obtained from the plant called lichens. Litmus paper is basically a quicker way to check the nature of the substance. To test the acid, blue litmus paper is basically used. When we dip this blue litmus paper in the acidic solution, it immediately changes the color, and red litmus paper is used for the basis. For example, when we dip the blue litmus paper into the basic solution, it immediately changes the color. On the other hand, for neutral substances, for example water, the litmus paper will not change the color whenever we dip them in the neutral substances. Below we have given a table which is showing the different indicators. And you know that many indicators are made from plant extracts. So let's start. The first indicator given in the table is litmus. And in acid it will show red color. On the other hand, in base it will show blue color. Next one is phenolphthalein, which is colorless in acidic solution. On the other hand, it shows pink color when it is added in the alkalis or basic solutions. So next one is methyl orange. Methyl orange is basically orange in acidic solution. On the other hand, it will show yellow color in the alkalis or basic solutions. Next one is bromothymol blue, which is yellow in acidic solution and blue in alkali solutions. So these all are different type of indicators which are using in the laboratories to test the presence of acid or basic in different chemical reactions. Below the table we have given a universal indicator chart. ये इंडिकेटर सोल्यूशन की पीएच पर डिपेंड कर कर कलर चेंज करेगा और बताएगा कि ये सोल्यूशन एसिड है या बेसिक है. Like from bluish green to purple, it is showing the presence of alkali solution, and from green to dark red, it is showing the presence of acids, and at the center where the value is 7, it is showing the presence of a neutral substance. That's all about our today's topic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.